The Christian church is the salt and light in the world. And so the world sees nothing wrong with, often sees nothing wrong with tyrannical rulers, with individuals that want to take the place of God in the lives of their citizens simply because they've got military power, political power. I would even throw in philosophical power. So the world might not see anything wrong with that. We who are Christians are the ones who recognize the fallenness of man, that you add that kind of unbridled power to a fallen human being, you are literally preparing dynamite, which will soon explode. And so in that sense, we teach not only the people within the context of the church, but we teach the world what God says in his word, that he is the ruler and that he provides the checks and balances in a fallen world. And through that, we not only teach, but we also take our stand, especially when tyrannical rulers begin to get into the sphere of the worship of God. We should be able to say, thus far you can come, but no further. Here, Jesus is Lord.